Hi, friends. This is your pal Press. How's everybody doing all right? Yeah? Keep on keeping on. That's all we got to do. Keep on keeping on. Today I have a story to tell you about a loving wife. And she was in the process of washing up her husband who is disabled. And all of a sudden, as she was washing him up, the husband came out with a song to her, and it goes like this. Rinse, lather, repeat. Rinse, lather, repeat. Just so long as you clean my meat. Rinse, lather, repeat. Doo-doo. Oh, it cracks me up. I hope you liked it just as much as I did. See ya.